Hi students, welcome to your asynchronous day activity. The topic for today is the economic activities of Mennonites in Belize. Let's get right into it. There are currently over 12,000 Mennonites living here in Belize. There are indeed several subgroups of Mennonites, which we will get into another time. The Mennonites in Belize live in remote communities scattered throughout the west and north of Belize, mainly in Orange Rock and the Cayo district. You can also find them elsewhere, but these are the main places that you can find them here in Belize. Here are a list of Mennonite communities. We have communities that have less than 100 people, and we have communities that have between 100 and 500 people on this list. Now this list highlights the bigger Mennonite communities such as Spanish Lookout, Little Belize, and Shipyard. Mennonites are excellent farmers, and sometimes we do see them in our communities selling vegetables on their horse and buggies. Here are some ways how the Mennonite community contributes to the Belizean economy. The Mennonite communities of Belize play a huge role in the Belizean economy. Let's see how. The German Mennonites presently produce over 85% of the poultry and dairy products in the country of Belize. Let's take Western Dairy's ice cream for example. These are some more ways how the Mennonites contribute to our agriculture here in Belize. Let's not forget that they are excellent carpenters and home builders as well. Have you heard about Plet's Home Builders? Yep, they are located in Spanish Lookout as well. There's a lot more to discuss about this topic. However, we will continue next week. Kindly complete the activity that follows.